Hello everyone, Dependent Quarter here, and today I want to pick this Japanese Go-P. And we have it open. Nice. Good thing is done by removing these two screws on the back. Okay. Now all I need is a key and a follower. Fuck. The two ball bearings that are on the sides just fell down, so learn from my mistakes. When you take out the core, keep your fingers like this. Here are the springs. I will find the ball bearings after I finish the cutting, just to make sure I don't go out of frame. So the interesting thing about this wok is all the key pins are torpedo key pins or overset traps, as I like to call them. Also, the core has overmilling and undercuts. Not sure if you can see all the chambers. Okay. The other interesting thing about this wok is that the springs actually go inside of the pins. You see what I'm talking about. The springs are smaller than these of most woks. They go inside like this. Here is a pin that is with the spring inside, and here is one that is not. Also, almost all the pins are, what are they called, gin bottle spools. Except of the last one, which if you saw the beating of the key, it's almost zero lift, and it was the last pin that I had to pick because it's a T-pin. Okay, that's all. Here is the last spring. This is the core, the Bible. These are the pins, and let me look for that thing there fallen over here. Yes, this is one of the ball bearings, and this is the other one. So that's GoP picked and gutted. Here it goes up. Beautiful work. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye bye.